it's Gina from WTI. I use my laptop on a daily basis and I often have to take it with me. So I've been looking for a laptop bag that isn't super bulky or ugly. I found this super cute functional laptop bag from TiMOVO and I just love using it. First off, even though it's on the smaller side, it perfectly protects my laptop. It has really nice padding and the inner fabric is really soft and it keeps my computer secure and I don't have to worry about it getting scratched. Now I have an HP Elitebook, which is just a little over 13 inches long and 9.5 inches wide. This fits it like a glove. There is just enough room to zip it up, but not just that, there's a back pocket where I can fit my laptop charger, which is really important to me because my battery seems to drain too fast. So I always need to have the cord with me in case I need to charge it up. I like that with the swivel on the strap, you can wear it crossbody or just over the shoulder. I'm totally into this light pink color. I think it's really cute. And to me, it looks more like you're carrying a purse than a laptop, and that's always a good thing. I think this laptop bag is just wonderful. I love using it, and that's my point of view.